Hello viewer, how to remove repost on Instagram. If you want to delete repost on Instagram, let's dive the video. Open any repost. Now see, there is no option to remove repost on Instagram, but I will share you two most powerful way to remove repost on Instagram. Step 1. Tap on repost. Then your repost will be gone. But if you want to delete all reposts from your Instagram account, follow this step. Go to your Instagram profile. Now tap on this three line. Now go to your activity. Now click on repost. From here, you can select all reposts at a time. Just simply tap and hold on. Now select all repost. And now you can delete your repost.